What's up guys, and welcome to the 10th tutorial of programming in C++ using Xcode. In this tutorial, it's all about iterating a basic array. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, so I'm going to go here and type int a square bracket 5. You know it's an array when you see that. Equals curly braces. Just have 5 random numbers, 2, 3, 56, 76, 92. So there are my 5 numbers. Now I need a for statement. Yes, initialize int I equals 0. Your condition is I is less than 5. And you can increment it once, or just increment it. Then your statement, std cout number, hashtag or whatever. Mustn't forget the speech marks. I plus 1. Colon there. And then a square brackets I a new line. And there you go. Save that, execute, and see what we get. All the numbers. So number 1 is 2, number 2 is 3, number 3 is 56, number 4 is 76, number 5 is 92. The first line here instantiates and initializes an array of integers. And then the for loop iterates the array, and then where it says a bracket I close bracket displays each element in the array using the iterator as an array subscript. So that's all you need to know for this tutorial. That's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.